In this video we will be talking about the difference between a custodian wallet and a non-custodian wallet. So what is a custodian wallet? Well, a custodian wallet is a type of wallet where the private keys are held by a third party. This means that you, as the user, do not have full control over your funds. Instead, a third party, such as an exchange or a wallet provider, has control over your funds. There are many different types of custodian wallets, but they all share one thing in common. The private keys to your funds are held by someone else. This can be a company, an institution, or even a government. For example, if you deposit Bitcoin into Coinbase, you are essentially putting your Bitcoin into a custodian wallet. The private keys for your Bitcoin are held by Coinbase. This means that Coinbase has full control over your Bitcoin, and they could theoretically transfer your Bitcoin to someone else without your permission. Now, what is a non-custodian wallet? Well, a non-custodian wallet is a type of wallet where the private keys are held by you and only you. This means that you have full control over your funds and nobody can take your funds from you without your permission. A good example of a non-custodian wallet is a hardware wallet like the Ledger or the Trezor. These wallets store your private keys offline, meaning that they are not connected to the internet. This makes them very secure because it is extremely difficult for hackers to steal your private keys if they are not connected to the internet. So which type of wallet should you use? Well, there are pros and cons to both custodian and non-custodian wallets. Custodian wallets are more convenient because they are easy to use and they often have a lot of features. Non-custodian wallets are more secure because you have full control over your private keys. Ultimately, the decision of which type of wallet to use is up to you. However, I would recommend that you do some research and carefully consider the risks before making a decision. If you're looking for a safe and easy-to-use wallet, I would recommend using a hardware wallet like the Ledger or the Trezor. If you're looking for a more convenient wallet with more features, then you may want to use a custodian wallet like Coinbase or Binance. However, you should be aware of the risks involved in using a custodian wallet. Thank you for watching.